Hey yo, it's Chriso. I've just come in from a sanger, just had a little bit of lunch. This is what I've done this morning, and I need to go up this wall now. It's the skirting along there and around there where that blue is. So I'll shoot up here. I'm hoping to do this niche as well. And the skirting, and then I'll buzz off home and come back and grout it in the morning. So let's get started. So what I said before, what you do here is just slap it on the best way you can. To start with, it can be a flat trowel like I'm doing here. Now I'm going to be out here a little bit, but I don't want to go too far with my glue and then go, oh, I've put on too much glue. So I'll get a feel for where I'm going first. So I've slapped the glue on, and now I'm running it the same way as if water was running down. That's the way. You don't go like that DIYs, because the water's got nowhere to go. Okay, I'm starting with a half a tile. The best way I find half a tile is not use a tape. You go roughly halfway there. I hope you can see that. I'll bend my head down so the camera's facing down. You roughly mark halfway. Get another tile on top. Mark it like that. Bring it along. And that's bang on. But usually you have, say, a gap like that, and then you find halfway like that. That's the fastest way without fluffing around with a tape. But I fluked it and I made a mark and it was bang on halfway. So I'll just cut a couple of halves, 2 or 3 or 4. That'll do for starters, because I'm going half tile, full tile, half a tile, full tile. It is the easiest way to put a piece of timber bit of timber in, and then I'll fill in the bottom tomorrow. Right, that's how far I'm coming out. Don't leave it too long before you put your crosses in.